In this video, I'll show you how to join the bloxfuits Discord server in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for updates, announcements, trading tips, community chats, or just want to stay connected with other bloxfuits players, joining the official Discord is the fastest way to do it. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord Web in your browser. You can do this on desktop or laptop, and it's the easiest way to get started if you're not already in the app. Once Discord loads, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where all your servers are listed, along with the button you need to join a new one. Now click the plus button or the add a server button on the left side of Discord. When you click it, Discord will give you a couple of options for creating or joining a server. What you want here is the join a server option. This is the choice that lets you enter an invite link and connect directly to the bloxfuits Discord community. After that, you'll see a box where you can paste the invite link. Type or paste this link exactly as shown, discord.gg/bloxfuits. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters because invite links need to be entered correctly in order to work. If the link is active, Discord will recognize it right away and prepare the server invite for you. Once the invite link is in place, click Join Server. Discord will then process your request and add you to the bloxfuits Discord if the invite is still valid. In most cases, you'll be in the server within a few seconds. From there, you can read the welcome messages, check the rules, browse the channels, and start participating in the community. If you run into any issues, double check that you're signed into the correct Discord account and that the invite link was entered properly. Also keep in mind that invite links can expire or become unavailable. So if it doesn't work, the link may no longer be active. In that case, you may need to find a fresh invite from an official bloxfuits source. And that's it. You've now learned how to join the bloxfuits Discord server. It's a quick process, but it opens the door to a lot of useful updates and community interaction. If this guide helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.